I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today is a Cast Iron Wednesday. Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, and a bunch of us like to join in now and then and put out a nice cast iron dinner for you, or some kind of cast iron cooking on Cast Iron Wednesday. She has a playlist, and so do I. Go ahead and check out the other great videos that come out for Cast Iron Wednesday and all the good cooking. Today, I'm going to actually make a stuffed pork chop for you. That's going to be our Cast Iron Wednesday. This is a freezer meal. I got my pork chops out of the freezer. They're a little thinner than I would like to do a stuffed pork chop, but we still got her done. And I'll show you what goes into it. It's not that hard, and you pop them in the oven and you have a dinner. So, of course, I have my pork chops, and I already split these open so that we can stuff them. And you can use either chicken broth, or I'm using vegetable Better Than Bouillon today, give it a little bit more body. And then I have some diced onion and some chives and some seasoning here with some sage and poultry seasoning and parsley. I've got some cumin for the outside, and then my cut up sandwich bread, my bread cubes, which will go in for my stuffing. So first thing is I'm going to saute my onions and get them caramelized to make up my stuffing. So we'll get my onions translucent and caramelized, and then I'll take this out of here, and we'll put our bread stuffing together. Well, these are ready to go, so I'm going to scoop them out, and we'll leave that in there the way it is because our chops are going to go back in there. Then we'll add our breadcrumbs, well, bread cubes. Like I said, I just took sandwich bread. This is actually whole wheat. And I'll add my chives. You can use celery too. And my seasoning blend there. And then I'll just add my broth. That's just to get some moisture so it binds. And you can add a little bit more broth if we want. We'll just like do this to get it moistened up so that we can stuff it more easily. It's very simple, it's not elaborate. I think that's pretty good. Now we stuff the chops and lay them in a pan. Yes, my hands are clean. And I just stuff it in like so, and wrap this back over. Like so. Do the same thing, just pack it in the pocket. Kind of hard to see here, but if I try to do this left-handed, it's going to be a pain. But I will try and do it left-handed. Okay, the next one's going to go in. And the next one, let's take a nice fist size there. And just fold it over like a big sandwich. My oven is preheated to 375, And I'm just gonna put a dash of cumin over top. Like that. And I'm gonna slap her in the oven. And they're done. You know what comes next. You know what time it is. So I took my stuffed pork chop and put some my homemade coleslaw on the side, and let's give it a taste. Michael's not big about gravy. Sometimes I make a little pan gravy to go with it, but I think it's good just the way it is. As long as it's moist, it's good. Ooh. Yeah, I know. Some of you will be liking this. Okay. Let's give her a try. Oh man. That filling is so moist. Good flavor. I think I need some more. That's really good. Like I said, I prefer to do a little bit thicker chops, but I have these in the freezer. They're good quality pork chops from Mossers. Can't beat the flavor. Done on a cast iron, you really can't beat the flavor. And that was super easy to put together. Used about a half a loaf of bread. I will include the recipe in the description below like I always do. And that's it for Cast Iron Wednesday. Check out the playlist, check out Native Tears, and get out there and use your cast iron. Get cooking. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.